The modern engine is a sealed system, but inside it there's more happening than just fuel burning. Something dangerous is always happening, that is pressure buildup. During combustion, some gases escape past the piston rings. This is called blow-by. If these gases stay trapped, they create pressure inside the engine. And that pressure can destroy seals, contaminate oil, and reduce engine life. That's where the PCV system comes in. PCV stands for positive crankcase ventilation. The PCV valve is a small, crucial, one-way emissions control component that manages engine pressure and reduces pollution by recirculating harmful blow-by gases from the crankcase back into the intake manifold to be burned. Its job is simple. It prevents sludge buildup, oil leaks, and engine damage by venting vaporized oil and combustion gases. Key functions of a PCV valve are: 1. Pressure management. This prevents excess pressure buildup inside the crankcase, which can cause oil leaks and damage gaskets. 2. Emissions control by recirculates unburnt fuel, blow-by, and oil vapors back into the combustion chamber to be burnt instead of releasing them into the atmosphere. 3. Engine health, which helps keep the engine oil clean by removing moisture and gases that contribute to sludge formation. It may look small, but it plays a massive role in keeping your engine healthy. Before PCV systems were introduced, engines released harmful gases directly into the atmosphere. This caused pollution and also allowed pressure to damage the engine internally. The PCV system changed everything. It made engines cleaner, more efficient, and more durable. Here is how the PCV valve works step by step. When fuel burns inside the cylinder, some gases slip past the piston rings into the crankcase. These gases build pressure. The PCV valve opens under engine vacuum and draws those gases out of the crankcase, then sends them into the intake manifold, where they are burned again. This creates a closed system, reducing waste and protecting the engine. The PCV system is made up of several key parts. 1. PCV valve. This is the heart of the system. It is a one-way, spring-loaded check valve that regulates the flow of blow-by gases from the crankcase back into the intake manifold, preventing excessive pressure buildup. 2. Breather hose or fresh air intake. This hose allows filtered, fresh air to enter the crankcase. It usually connects the engine valve cover to the air cleaner assembly. 3. PCV hose. Vacuum hose, a flexible tube connecting the PCV valve to the intake manifold, providing the vacuum necessary to pull vapors from the crankcase. For oil separator or baffles, often built into the valve cover or located before the PCV valve. This component condenses oil mist and separates oil droplets from the vapor, returning the liquid oil to the crankcase to prevent it from entering the combustion chamber. 5. Grommet. A rubber seal that holds the PCV valve in place on the engine valve cover or intake manifold, ensuring an airtight connection to prevent vacuum leaks. 6. Intake manifold port. The point where the PCV hose connects to the intake system to reintroduce blow-by gases into the combustion process. Let's look at the symptoms of a bad PCV valve. When the PCV valve fails, your engine starts to show the following signs: rough idle, engine misfires, increased oil consumption, oil leaks, black smoke from the exhaust. These symptoms are often ignored, but they are early warnings of bigger problems. When PCV valve gets stuck closed, this is what happens. Pressure builds inside the engine, forcing oil past seals and gaskets. If it gets stuck open, too much air enters the system, causing a lean mixture and poor engine performance. Either way, your engine pays the price. Testing a PCV valve is simple. Remove it from the engine and give it a shake. You should hear a clicking sound. You can also check for suction when the engine is running. If there's no sound or no airflow, it's time to replace it. The good news? The PCV valve is cheap and easy to replace, but ignoring it can lead to expensive engine repairs, sometimes even total engine failure. The PCV valve may be small, but it plays a huge role in protecting your engine. Take care of it, and your engine will last longer than you expect. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. Subscribe for more real automotive knowledge. And remember, sometimes the smallest parts make the biggest difference.